Come and do this French twist hairstyle with us. This is perfect for weddings, for older bridesmaids, younger bridesmaids if they have the patience, and also adults. So we're going to part the hair down from the top of the head to the back of the ear, and then I'm just going to comb the hair back from that and just clip it out the way. When you're doing sectioning, you want to keep it really neat, and yeah, just so that the bands don't tangle into different parts or the pins, if that makes sense. So for this, I clipped the back section back first, and then I went to the front and then just clipped those out the way. So we didn't need all the back clip back, but I just used those clips. I don't know, it just works for me. Pop in some hairstyling cream into the hair. And then once we've got all this cream in, I did add a bit of water to it as well. So for this hairstyle, I haven't prepped it at all, guys. I've just put the water and the cream in. I haven't curled it before, anything like that. It is just as it is. It's a bit frizzy, to be honest. But yeah, so we're just going to brush the hair to the side. So we're going to take it up slightly, and then look at the difference it makes when you use a soft brush over the hair once you've brushed it. It's so smooth and shiny that way, and it just looks really elegant for weddings. So pop in the pins. So we're going to pop some pins up the head. We're going to join them together. So we're going to cross them over each other. And then I did put an extra little one at the bottom, just as an extra anchor, because this is like the base that holds the whole of the hairstyle. I popped 2 fingers in front of the hair. Then I cross over to the other side. So I did go in front of the camera then, because where you stand makes such a difference to doing a neat French twist. So if you start one side of the head and then, you know, take the hair round to the other, you just get it super neat like I have. So like, yeah, I think it's neat anyway. Pop in some little pins. So you put them down into the French twist. So curvy grips go into the middle of it. And then rounder pins you can put in the side of this French twist. And then yeah, it just makes it really secure. With the front 2 pieces, so I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water, and then I did add some more hairstyling cream to this. So every time you take a piece of hair with this hairstyle, just add in some more styling cream just to keep it really smooth and quite slick. So we took that front section back, and then we're just going to twist it up, and we're going to twist it all the way towards the French twist, and then we're just going to pin it into place there at the side. And then we're going to repeat on the other side. So when you do the other side, you want to try and make sure that where you twist the hair is level with the opposite side, so it matches in nicely. Now, we don't have much of a place to really pin this into because it's so curved. So we're just going to pin it in for now, just with 1 pin. Okay, and it's not got the tightest of holds, but it will hold just for what we need to do next. I pinched out the top a bit just to fluff it. So with the rest of the hair, you just part it in 2. Twist it together in the same direction. Careful of that pin popping out. And then I just took the twist then into the opposite direction. You have to be so gentle when you handle this hair, just because if you're too, harsh on it, the pins that are holding the hair will fall out, because some of this is, it's not as tight as it needs to be. At the end, you make it tighter. Pinch out the rope braid to make it, nice and fluffy and more softer. We don't want the rope braid too slick, and I don't know, if it's too slick, it kind of looks like a bit of a dog poo on the head or something like that. I don't know, it just doesn't look right. It doesn't look right. It needs to be softer, because this is, after all, for a wedding. So tie it at the very bottom with an elastic, and then you will have a bit at the end. Don't worry about that. Twist the hair around. So just follow the direction it sort of wants to go, if that makes sense. And then tuck in the tail end underneath the French twist. We're then going to pop in some pins to secure it. So you can do as many as you like, really, just until it feels like it's not going to move anywhere, because obviously weddings, dancing. And then we're going to pinch out the hair a bit. When we pinch out the hair, you want to think about the height of it. So if you look where my hand is, that side there that I'm now pinching out a bit more, it felt like it was drooping down a bit compared to the other side. So I did add in a pin and just pull it up. To finish, we just put in some hairspray, and then we're going to use the end of a styling brush just to smooth the hair around. I did add an extra little pin there at the very bottom. Give it a spray with some spray, and then pop in a very cute little accessory for weddings. These kind of side beaded ones look great. And there is a very cute, very beautiful wedding hairstyle, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more hairstyles. We don't just do wedding ones, we do all kinds of ones, guys. So thanks for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.